Look at my car. Yep. This is to record this before I sent it out to wash. Okay. Yeah. This is how it looked like. Back from Enduro. Easy. Yeah. All in all, it's just amazing. Oh, look at all that. So today is the day where I'm gonna peel off the stickers, or maybe I should let the guys to do it. No. Yeah. I have no idea how many bugs I've killed. So I really have to thank Prestige, the workshop that I always go to, for keeping my car in like really tip-top condition. They fixed my suspension geometry before I go off, so the ride is amazing. I'm not gonna change anything about the ride. You know, I love this ride height. You know, it gives me a proper rebound. I don't like cars that are too low. I just don't like it, right? And it's fantastic, you know, jumping over undulations and whatever, and never hit the bump stop, even though my wheels are like flush to the sides. By right, wheels should sit a little bit in, gives it more suspension travel, but never scrape once, so it's really nice. And of course I have to thank Mike Yap, DNA Tuning, who tuned my car, my engine and transmission to perfection, so it gives proper power delivery. I can catch up with in terms of acceleration on the go. I can keep up with a 997 turbo, you know 450 horsepower. Of course, the sponsors that make this event possible: DD Pie, Prestige Liquid Moly, DNA Tuning, and GT Tires, right? These are the S2, the new UUHP. So in terms of performance benchmarking, these benchmark against PS4S. They are one grade higher than PS4. And it works well. I mean, apart from, I'm not sure if it is placebo, but I felt it is a little bit noisier than my Contis. But in terms of performance, I don't feel any deficiency in performance. It grips well, it tracks well, it's comfortable, lovely. And yeah, the engine is really smooth. All those additives and all that. I didn't use the octane boosters because I pump Shell V-Power Gasohol 95. It works really well in Thailand. A word of advice: if you drive in Thailand, fuel prices are different from station to station. So of course, the regular 95 Gasohol is cheaper. Then you have the benzene, which is not Gasohol, but the PTT benzene is pretty crap. High fuel consumption and very low response, whereas 95 Gasohol V-Power is really good. So yeah, gonna remove all the stickers and get my car clean. Hello, hello, morning, hello. Yeah, yeah, and Super dirty, super dirty. Look at that. Yeah. I even lost another wheel cap. Sorry, Denzel from DRC. These wheels are from DRC, performance wheels, if you are interested. So you can go get them. This design is now a regular run and it's pretty popular. So this pop-up, he gave me another set, but then it popped out again. So because I didn't listen to his advice, I'm putting the silicone glue. But other than that, the car just performs flawlessly. You know, I cannot imagine another car that can do what this car does. Just think about it. A car that looks so good, drives so well, so comfortable, ferries 4 person in the car, able to open the roof even with 2 weeks worth of luggage inside the boot for 2 person. All right, I tell you, the boot is huge. Oh, let me unlock the car. The boot is huge. If I push this up, then I cannot open the roof, right? But as long as my luggage don't impede, I can drop this and then the roof will be able to go in. So I put 2 duffel bags instead of those hard case luggage rollers. I have one big box of all the emergency equipments in the car, shoe boxes, and then another small bag, and 2 huge duffel bags for 2 weeks worth of traveling, and everything goes in and the roof still drops. Fantastic, right? And the car is just so comfortable. Another thing that accompanied my journey is the fact that I changed the original BMW iDrive screen to an Android screen. So all the way I have my Spotify on the left, my Waze on the right, and we can watch movies, YouTube and all that. It's lovely. Really some form of entertainment for a long journey like this. And the rear seats, you can sit an adult here, right? It's an adult seat. Now, this car is celebrating its 10 year, and it's already 10 years old. All right, next year will be 11 years old. So some form of enhancements that I'm thinking of doing is changing the seats. Now these seats look great, but they are not the highest spec seats. The highest spec seats has a wider headrest. The one that comes with M6, you can adjust the wings here. I think M5 also get those seats. They don't look as sporty, but they are a lot more comfortable, and you can adjust. There's more adjustability. This part from here to here, you can adjust the angle of the upper back, not just the entire back. So you can have a different angle from lower back and upper back. I'm thinking of wanting to source the seats, and it provides more adjustability. And yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It depends on cost, And then there's the other whole question of the color of the seat. If I change that, then I need to do a full rewrap to have a proper unified color. But this is colored to the cream seats. I love the cream seats. It works. It matches really well with my blue color exterior. And yeah, what a fantastic car. 10-year-old, and it does what it did. It's crazy. You cannot imagine how hard the pounding in Mae Hong Son, Mae Sariang, basically from Mae Sariang to Mae Hong Son to Pai to Chiangmai, 4,088 corners, hairpin tight, high speed corners. We're very, very punishing. And of course, the other thing is it wouldn't have been possible if I hadn't upgraded my lights. My CSB Pro projector LED. The laser gives very long distance of light throw. The LED gives a wider spread. So the lights were super bright and makes my night drive so pleasurable. All right. So yeah, man, the car is fuel efficient, low maintenance, fantastic reliability, comfort, sports, drop top, luggage, 4-passenger. I cannot name any other car that has this kind of combination. I mean, yes, the Maserati Grand Cabrio, but it will not be able to be that reliable as this one, you know. And then there's the whole question of maintenance, fuel, road tax, blah blah blah. So this car is like perfect, you know, fantastic. Yeah, I wouldn't trade this for an M6, to be honest. I prefer this 3-liter N55. Yeah, so yep, this is what a car, what a car. Cheers. Wow.
Okay, here's your key.
Here's your key. Thank you.
Thank you. Wow, how's Enduro? Are you so damn sad I had to miss this year, man?
It's okay lah.
I'll be there next
You also went Langkawi, right?
Yeah.
You drove there?
Yeah, drove.
So, cross the ferry.
Cross the ferry.
Dirty, right? The ferry. Right. Wow. Wow. Thank you so much.
Wow, man.
See, this is what's amazing about Evoclub car wash. So just now I texted Con, like, brother, my car I haven't washed. Then he drove his car here, pick it up, and now it's back.
Yeah.
Wow.
Today we're very lucky because one customer had to postpone.
The Golf, right?
Yes.
Oh, macam kereta baru ni.
Glad it meets your.
Was the any sticker leaving any residue?
Oh, there was one we spotted.
Which one?
That's why I took a bit longer.
Which
the
sticker?
Front right fender. The one at the front right fender.
Front right fender.
There was just as I was about to leave, I spotted some sticker marks here. Then we clean this area up.
This one is the Evoclub sticker, lor.
No, it's a long sticker.
Oh, it's here one.
It's a long sticker.
The GT.
No, GT was here. No? There was one here. There was some sticker mark here.
Oh,
Yeah.
interesting.
So
Wow, thank you so much.
yeah, man. I was like, I almost couldn't take your car in today because the slots were full. But luckily there was one that had to postpone. So yeah, I said okay lah. Since I was out of the shop, I swing straight over to pick your car up.
So all the evidence of my drive is gone.
Yeah.
Crazy, right? the car?
Yeah. Yours is the second Enduro car to come in. So I mean, because I know all of you guys go to Enduro, come back, it will be quite dirty, right?
Yeah.
So between now and January,
Yeah.
to the end of January, any Enduro participants come to Evoclub Car Wash, enjoy special rate. You
Alright.
want to come and wash again until end of January.
Okay. So guys, do make it quick and make your slot with corn.
Yeah.
All right, get your cars clean. See my wheel cap, right?
Yeah, what happened now?
The first time it popped out was during Genting Drive. Then DRC made me a few more, so I popped it in for this drive. But I did not listen to his advice. He actually gave me silicone gel, silicone glue. I didn't apply it. I thought I just slot it in, and true enough, it flew off again. But okay lah.
It's the memories that count lah.
Yeah. Thank you.
No problem, bro. Always a pleasure.
Thank you. All right. So look for corn, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Evoclub Car Wash.